Iran had amassed 408 kilograms of uranium enriched to 60% purity, enough, if further refined, to produce around 9 nuclear bombs. Then came US-Israeli airstrikes. But satellite imagery, official statements, and global experts now question, where did the uranium go? Reports suggest Tehran evacuated key sites like Fordow, relocating enriched uranium into small, movable canisters days before the bombing. IAEA Chief Grossi warns the agency can't confirm its location. Strikes significantly damaged Natanz, Fordow and Isfahan, yet assessments differ on the long-term impact. US claims, obliterated, rebuilt over years. Experts say only a months-long setback. Without oversight, rebuilding could accelerate. Iran now holds high-level enriched uranium off the radar, physically and diplomatically. The IAEA has no access post-strikes. That's critical. 60% purity is already 90% of the journey to weapons grade. What if Tehran rushed to convert that hidden uranium into 90% plus material, within weeks, not years? It could detonate a crude nuclear device, even if delivery systems aren't ready, then rapidly refine for better bombs later. Absent inspections, no one can stop or even detect the buildup underground. Border states could scramble for nukes. And the US-Israel airstrikes might have unintentionally triggered a fast-track weaponization. Is Iran's covert nuclear countdown already underway? For more such insights, subscribe to India Today.